want to exaggerate too much, but there's been a horrific accident at the puppy park, Meatball's puppy pool. And Meatball, rightfully, is so upset. Look how nice my portocarpuses look. This is a privacy hedge that I've always been working for. Look at my rich colored grass. A lot of this is because I have a yard service and the shrubs are semi-annual treated. This treatment has happened before. The technician had no idea that on the other side of this partition fence, Meatball's once glorious pool has turned into a rusty disaster. You need a tetanus shot to even get near it. The spray from the hedges, either iron, calcium, magnesium, I don't know what they sprayed, but it activated with the galvanized steel, chlorine, and possibly heat. Oh my God. God, this breaks my heart. You want to know what the process is going to be? The water has to be removed by bucket, padding, a liner, but then all the decking has to be removed. All the decking, because I have it so fitted. It's a tragedy. I know. Time for Operation Pool Revival, and this is gonna have to wait. I'm gonna take Meatball to the hardware store and Starbucks. Oh, you're in luck. You're in luck. If anybody can fix it, your daddy can. Meatball wants a pup cup.
A pup cup, of course.
Meatball's had a bad day.
Already?
His puppy park got shut down, so.
Oh.
I know. That's a tragedy in the doggy world.
Well, I got you an extra large.
Okay, a little bite. Little bit. Okay. Perfect, thanks.
You have a good one.
Come on, Meatball. But you can't have all of it. That's too much. One more. A little more. All right, very good. Come on, Meatball. We shall restore your puppy pool to its former glory.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
You're a good boy. That's a good baby. A little bit of a plan for the day so you understand. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Intensity of the sun is probably in an hour and a half, 2 hours. I will not be able to kneel in the dry, galvanized, heated steel. Definitely by 11, 2 hours. We need to take some clickbait photos that look like something horrific has happened. Yeah, we can use, Meatball, we can use the views. What? Meatball says like, comment, and subscribe. I like how you think. So here. I need a sad face. Look at me, ready? Ready? Meatball. I can work with that. Because the puppy pool is below ground level, I can't siphon. But you know, I don't know how Jack and Jill did it. Well, hold on. They actually didn't do it. He fell down and broke his crown. Okay. 500 gallons of stinky stock tank water. How do you measure your love for the puppy dog? So to work on those pipes, I have to clean this out. Is that possible? 134? 134? 134 degrees. I'm so close to being done. I cut a piece, put it down, I get out of there. I come over here and cool off. But you know, after this, I'm gonna put the liner in, and to make the liner stretch properly, I have to use water. Oh, I get to get in the water. Oof, it's hot and melted. So what I'm doing is, as it's filling, I'm pushing the wrinkles out, shaping the bottom, and I'll bring up the sides. Stop by the time it gets to the plumbing. Okay. Like, look. There's no room. And all these screws are like stripped out. I love my dog. It has to come off. Look how close that door is. Let's see if I can get this. Left. And push. Meatball, behold, your personal puppy park is back in business. Let's go, Meatball. Your summer has been restored.